Hello everyone, myself Professor P.T. Avle from the KK College of Agriculture Biotechnology Nashik. Today we will discuss on the principles of seed production. The general principles of seed production are basic two. First one, genetic principles, and second one, agronomic principles. In genetic principles, deterioration of crop varieties and methods to prevent them. Variety, it is a group of plants having clear distinguished characters which when reproduce either sexually or asexually retain these characters. The main aim of seed production is to produce genetically pure and good quality seed. But why or how the genetic purity of the variety is lost or deteriorated during seed multiplication? The several factors that are responsible for loss of genetic purity during seed production is listed by Kadam 1942. In that, the Kadam listed the different factors. First one, developmental variation. Second, mechanical mixture. And third one, mutation. This is the genetic principles, and in that, the deterioration of crop varieties and methods to prevent them. In that, several factors are responsible. And developmental variation, mechanical mixtures, mutations, natural crossings, genetic drift, minor genetic variation. Then selective influence of diseases, techniques of the breeder, breakdown of male sterility, improper defective seed certification system. This is the explanation of these factors. The first one, developmental variation. In that, due to difficult environment and conditions, different conditions, different elevations, hence to grow on the earth and growing and be facing the developmental variation. Then temperatures, it includes at the time of sowing due to seed drill, volunteer, plant of the same crop. During harvesting and threshing operations, seeds may get retained. Hello, I'm audible. Then harvesting, threshing operations, seeds may get retained on the processing equipment, precautions of the rugging to done to prevent the mechanical mixtures. Third one, mutation. Not a serious cause in production, positively propagated crops are genetically purified by the use of true to type stock. In natural crossings, integrations of the genes from unrelated stock is the main cause of the natural crossing. Is the occurs following reasons. natural crossing with the undesirable types, natural crossing with the disease type, and natural crossing with the off-type plants. The seed production hybrid may get contaminated with the near variety of the same due to by breeding system of species such as A line, B line, and varietal mass, wind direction, and pollinating. Fifth one, genetic drift. When seed is multiplied large areas, only small quantities of seed is taken and preserved for the next year sowing. Because of such improper subsampling, all the genotypes will not be represented in the next generations and leads to change in genetic composition. This is called as genetic drift. Sixth factor, minor genetic variation. In that, release varieties may have small scale of genetic variation present at the time of release. When it goes under the seed production selective environment, pressure has been removed and the starts to show the changes and may finally affect the yield. Hence, seed production of nucleus and breeders must be taken almost care to avoid such like. 7 number, selective influence of diseases. In that, new varieties may be become susceptible to new races of the pathogen and leads to out of date bite seed program. Hence, proper crop protection must be applied to grow a healthy crop. Techniques of the breeder. It includes cytological irregularities, early or premature release of the varieties, release of segregating stock as a variety, breakdown of male sterility. It is the generally in hybrid seed production. If there is any breakdown of male sterility, it may lead to mixture of the F1 hybrids and sterils. 10 number, improper seed certification. It is not a factor that deteriorates the crop varieties, but is there is any lacuna in any of the above factors, and if it has not been checked, it may lead to deterioration of crop varieties. These are the general principles or genetic principles of the production. Next point is maintenance of genetic purity during seed production. Horney, 1953, had suggested the following methods for maintaining the genetic purity. First one, control of seed source or use of approved seeds in seed multiplication. And second thing, the preceding cropping requirement, it includes providing isolation distance to prevent cross-fertilization or mechanical mix. I told earlier, the isolation distance means the distance between two adjacent plots. Means that the isolation distance are separately for self-pollinated crops and cross-pollinated crops. The self-pollinated crops, the isolation distance require 3 to 5 meter, and cross-pollinated crops, it requires 100 to 550 or more. The distance to be maintained for all the farms for genetic purity maintenance. Rugging of seed fields prior to planting and during the varieties. various stages prior to flowering. In the field where seed production of any crop is to be taken, the same crop could not be grown in previous season, providing isolation distance to prevent cross-fertilization or mechanical mixture of the other varieties. It is important to maintain the isolation crop-wise. What is isolation? Keeping the seed production plots apart from this field of the same crop to avoid the risk of contamination by pollen from the neighboring fields. Isolation between seed plot can be effected by distance or time. What is rugging? Rugging is the selective removal of undesirable plants from a seed plot on the basis of visual field inspection, that is off-type plants, in order to improve one or more quality, that is the genetic purity, disease-free, etc. attributes of the seed lot to be harvested. This is given by Leverett and Turner in 1995. The meaning of rugging is removal of undesirable plants or off-type plants from the seed production plot or seed crop. The seed certification, in that the major objective of is to make available seeds to good quality with 100% genetic purity or pure seed to the farmers. To achieve this, qualified or trained personnel from seed certification agencies, that is SCA, carry out field inspection at appropriate stages of crop growth. They also make seed inspection by drawing samples from seed lots after processing. The seed certification agencies verifies for both field and seed standard, and the seed lot must confirm to get approval as certified seed. Grow in adapted areas only to avoid genetic shifts in the varieties. Growing of samples with authentic stocks or grows out test for periodic testing of varieties for the genetic purity. This is the grow out test. The genetic purity of any variety is confirmed by carrying out through the grow out test, that is GOT. Growing of progeny during off-season in the field and electrophoresis. These tests are essential part of the seed certification of hybrids and higher valued seeds. Storage of produced seeds. Before storing the seeds must be sun-dried properly to maintain the moisture content of the seeds. Packing material used for seed storage plays an important role to maintain the seeds longevity in the storage. These are the genetically principles of the seed production. Thank you. Any questions?